My name is Shweta and today I'll be taking your speaking test. So the speaking is in three parts. The first part is the introductory questions, second is the cue card and the third one is the follow-ups. For the cue card you will get a minute to prepare and on the same you have to speak for a minute or two. Right? So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I have your name?
My name is Rashpinder Deep Kaur.
Rashpinder, where are you from?
Well, I am from Bathinda, which is a small city and located in the northern part of the India.
So what are the tourist attractions in your city?
My city is not a big city, but still there are some tourist attraction where people they love to visit. Like there is a beautiful lake, and another thing is there is a religious place that is known as a Red Fort, and in Sikhism this is known as Killa Fort, and people often visit there to seek the blessings from God.
Okay, so have you ever seen foreign visitors over there?
Not always, but I hardly see any foreigner who visit this place because this place is not familiar with many people.
Okay, so let's have questions on festivals. Do you like festivals?
Yes, to be very honest, I really like festival because they adds color in my life and also give a break from my monotonous routine.
Which is your favorite festival?
Well, if I talk about my favorite festival, my favorite festival is Diwali and it is known as a festival of lights, and on this day I really love to exchange gifts with my near and dear ones.
Why do you like this festival?
Because it gives me a platform to strengthen my bond of love with other member. Like we share gifts, we go for outing, and in the evening we burst crackers and also go to a religious place, which really give me an immense happiness and a piece of satisfaction.
So how is this festival celebrated?
Well, it depends on person to person and also from a state to state. Like some people they celebrate this festival by knowing the tradition or the myth of this festival, and apart from this some people they just like to celebrate just to add spices in their life, and they celebrate in a grand way.
So do you like Western festivals as well?
Honestly, I do not know much about the Western celebrate. I only celebrate Christmas, but not with great enthusiasm. On this festival, I just go to a mall and wear a red color clothes.
Why so?
Because I believe much on my tradition, and I think if I started following the Western festival, owing to this, my tradition take a back seat.
Okay. So let's have questions on driving. How often do you drive?
Well, I drive on a daily basis, like when I go to market, or in fact on daily basis when I go for a job.
Okay. So would you like to drive more in future?
Well, it is difficult to say about the future, but I think I will drive more.
So do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I have my driver license. When I stepped into 18, at that time I got this license.
Do you think 18 is the perfect age to get a driver's license?
Well, it is difficult to say, but sometimes I think that it is a perfect age because at this time children they step into teenage, and at that time they get enough mature and know about the responsibilities, and also they easily learn the rules also.
So if you have to suggest the right age for driving, which age would you suggest?
Well, I will also suggest the 18 years age because I think this law is regulated after thinking a lot. So I also go with this age.
Do you think it is difficult to drive a car?
Well, I think nothing is impossible in this world, as the word impossible say that I am possible. So to learn anything there is a need of hard efforts and hard dedication. So I do not think that it is a difficult task.
Okay. Do you like visiting crowded places?
Not always, but on occasions only, like whenever there is any festival, I like to visit malls or religious places, and at times I also want to be a part of concerts. So it depends.
So what places you find are often crowded?
Well, mostly the public places they are usually crowded, like bus stand, railway station, or religious forts and parks.
When was the last time you went to a crowded place?
I vividly remember that on 26th November I went to Golden Temple, and at this place was totally jam packed, and after that, owing to COVID-19, I didn't got an opportunity.
How do you feel about going to a crowded place?
Well, I feel that before going to these places, person should know something about this place, that whether there are proper safety measurements in this place, and also alert about their personal belongings.
Okay, let's have questions on water. So, do you think we should drink a lot of water?
Yes, definitely we must drink a lot of water because it is good for health and also helps in keeping us hydrated.
Why is it important to stay hydrated?
Well, I think it is very crucial. Personally, I feel that it gives, owing to hydration, we feel more energetic and stressful also.
Okay. So, how often do you drink water?
Well, after an hour, I drink water, and to remind myself, I put a reminder on my mobile phone.
Okay. So, do you prefer bottled water or water that you often have from machines?
Well, I give preference to water from machine because I believe that water from machine is more purified and good for health as compared to the bottled water.
So, what kind of water do you like to drink?
Well, I give preference to machine water the most, as I also read an article on the book and also read research in which it is revealed that machine water is more good.
So, do you prefer cold water or warm water?
Well, I give preference to warm water more because if I drink cold water, I suffer from throat problem.
Okay. So, let's have the cue card, and your cue card is talk about a prize you want to win. To prepare this, you have a minute and you can use this pen and paper to make your notes. A prize you want to win. Yes, mom, speak up.
Well, everyone want to win some prizes in their life because they act as a motivator for them. And right now, I achieved many prizes in my life. In some of are in academic and some in other activities. And right now, I would like to talk about a prize that I want to win in my future. That is the Best Teacher Award. Actually, it so happened that I joined teaching profession couple of years ago, and when I joined, I got to know from one of the employee that every year the best teacher is selected by the management. And at that time, I set this as a goal that next time I would definitely achieve this award, and it is my dream also. So for that, I started doing a lot of efforts as I am a new in this job and my other teachers, they have a vast experience with them. So for that, I attended some seminars with CBSE, and there were some prominent personalities who really gave me knowledge that how to bind the interest of primary children, as they are pretty young at this age, and owing to their age, they at times they do not want to study. So they gave me some skills that how to make them more creative. And apart from this, I also watched some videos from the internet which really enlightens my knowledge. So I started using that strategies, like while teaching I start using some games which makes children more active. And apart from this, I also took the help from the teachers who really helped a lot for me. Like nowadays, owing to COVID-19, the online sessions are going on, and in every session, I try to indulge children in some other activities also. And every week, I organize some competition which makes children more energetic. So I noticed that in my class there is more strength as compared to another classes, and the parents they also gave positive feedback in the front of principal ma'am. So I think in the future I will definitely achieve this word. So I just pray to God and kept my cross finger that hopefully next year on 5th September I achieve this award and my dream will definitely come true.
So do you think it is important to reward the children when they do something good?
Yes, I think it is crucial to award children because they really act as a motivation for them, and it aroused a curiosity in them to do something more. For example, in my class, when any children won a prize, it also aroused a curiosity in another students also, and they also start doing their best efforts.
So is it good for children to compete for prizes at school?
Yes, up to some extent, I think it is a good, because as I told you earlier that the prizes are a true motivation for children, and these prizes make children to put some hard efforts. So
What else? For what other reasons like children should compete for
well, I think
prizes?
children should compete for prizes because sometimes they want to earn a name and fame in the school or in the play. So I think it is necessary.
Do you think even companies should reward their employees for their outstanding performances?
Yes, definitely companies should award their because it really helps in increasing the productivity of the work. Just for example, when any employee they receive or achieve a award, and they really want to do something more and really hard efforts for the company. If company praise, then definitely the result will become more positive.
That is it. Thank you so much.